Hello everyone. Lask AI is a code assistant similar to Codium and Copilot. So here we can enter a prompt to generate the code. It uses NLP as a natural language processing for it by taking contexts of current file, relevant files and given prompt to generate the code. By pressing Alt Enter, we can accept the code snippet, or by pressing Alt C, we can comment it out, or by pressing Alt F, we can fix the code. Here, we have accepted the code snippet. Up next, giving a query in the sidebar chat panel, like for generating code or for asking explanations and many more. So here it has given the correct syntax code and a proper detailed explanation for users desired query response. And up next we are adding on remote context. Just by providing GitLab or GitHub repository link and the access token, this assistant would fetch all the files present in this repository in a checklist format. Further, we can select our desired files to take on as the context for this AI chatbot to give proper responses to the user's query. Okay, and next in the editor part, we can select the code snippet and either press Alt F or select fix using Lask AI to fix this code snippet. And next, to generate the comments by pressing Alt C or by selecting add comments using Lask AI option to generate the comments for the given code snippet. Thank you.